buy Shiloh and Bros. Because I love Shiloh and Bros, but a bit like a bad YouTuber. Okay, let's watch it now.
Hindi nga pwede dito. Si ate mo lang mag-check yan. Andun makapag-check yan. Yung watch na lang. Watch acting to video them.
Sorry guys, I have sipon.
Sobrang sa iPad. Pati utak, apituan. Diyan mo ang nakita mo? Yung bata dito, oh.
Uh-oh, the rush is gonna come there.
Ano ang share mo yung bata dito na sobrang iPad, oh. Pati utak na
Uh-oh.
dito ang nasira na yung utak ng bata, oh. Sobra na iPad, eh. Tatlo ko na ginagamit, oh. Kaya magpatapos na ginagamit niya, oh.
Bye-bye.
Laptop. Kawawa. Kawawang bata. Yan, oh. Kawawang bata.
They died, actually. Oh no! Go hide! Go hide! Go hide! Oh my gosh! Go hide! Go hide! Go hide!
Masakit ang bata niya.
Go hide!
Oh. Nasira ang ulo ng bata, oh.
Hide! Ooh! Dose rush! How they create this? How they create this in real life?
Ganyan eh. Magtapos, tawagan ko si tatay mo. Tawagan ko.
Maybe they created that with wood.
Chikang bata nito sa cellphone, sa iPad mo. Lagi ano, oh. Oh, wala na, lubat na.
Go do it.
Mga ka muna kasi.
002. Open the door. Open the door. Dang it! Ah, that's my chair.
Hindi ka naman umuupo eh. Nakalood ka lang dyan. Kaya ano dyan sito eh. Not yun. Oh, watch ka lang dyan.
Free haunted money. What a silly Judah!
Tingnan mo dyan sa iPad mo, oh, yung bata dito nga. Order sa iPad, oh. Nasira ang ulo. Look, kawawa.
Look at that. That's really actually just one.
Oh, may naman lang. Mouth.
Bro!
Open your mouth na, open your mouth. Ano na, open your mouth na.
Come on, get a wardrobe!
Ito kandi.
Oh, what?
Open your mouth.
Are you okay, Micah?
Ayaw mo na talaga, ah.
Ah! Hide! Oh! Gilbert! That's really Rush! That's Rush! That's Rush! if they created CGI monster. Bro, the wardrobe killer. Rooms.
Doon dito. Dito ka upo, kasi kukunin ni Alan itong upuan mo. Dito ka upo. Kukunin niya yan. Open your mouth.
Scratch.
Sige na. Open your mouth na. Ayaw mo lang kumain. Bigay ko na sa bata to. Lunukin mo na yan. Lunukin mo na yan. Lunukin mo
Oh,
na yan.
come on. Stop.
Ha?
Come on,
Supply
Jack.
natin buhok mo. Supply natin. Oh, ang buhok mo, oh. Maraming kuto. Oh, maraming kuto na, oh. Oh, takbuhan ng kuto, oh.
Ew.
Lalo kang ano. Sige, untog mo dyan, oh, ulo mo dyan.
Stop. Not you're just handing. Let's skip this.
Oh, nauuntog na yung ulo mo dyan.
Okay, oh, that's ambush.
Para kayo mo.
Oh, my God, died.
Walang tigil na galaw. Pinapakain, naglalaro.
Wow.
Nagtatakbo-takbo. Huwag kumain, huwag takbo-takbo, ha? Ha? Sit down. Tapos kumakain. Ha? Paano inuntog mo yung ulo mo dyan? Kasi malikot ka. Malikot ka. Nauntog mo yung
Search
ulo
the
mo.
rooms. There has to be something.
Stop crying na.
Door 50, 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 door 50.
Pinapakain, takbo ng takbo. Para kayong mga kitikite. Ah, hindi man lang nanahimik sa isang upuan. Takbo ng takbo. Kumakain, takbo ng takbo.
Why do you go back?
Oh, open. Open na. Open yung mouth na. Ubusin mo na to para tapos ka nang kumain. Ah. Kasi pag kumakain, hindi pwede magtakbo-takbo.
I don't know. It was Rush.
Open yung mouth. Ayaw mo na to. Kung ayaw mo na to, ibigay ko na sa bata.
Oh my God.
Oh, you eat na. Halin mo na lang. Halin mo na. Na ano kayo na? Walang matino. Yung mga utak mo, wala na.
That's ice.
Kumakain kasi huwag takbo ng takbo. Kaya ka nauntog-untog ka na. Akyat ng akyat.
They don't like sun. They only like cold. Like us. Bro!
Ang gugulo nyo kasi nakakapagod.
Not a dark room.
Ang gulo-gulo nyo, hindi kayo nakikinig pag sinasaway. Takbo ng takbo, pinapakain, takbo ng takbo.
Guiding light can help you.
Dapat watch your TV, sit down lang. Hindi yung takbo ng takbo. Kung ano-ano mga...
Guiding light.
Gulong-gulo na nga yung...
Yes.
Ito, puro gamit. Tapos pinakalat nyo pa.
Bruh, that's not. That's just
Ano kayo?
the sick eyes on the wall.
Manahimik manonood kung anong gusto niyong panoorin.
Stop! Stop it! Told you.
Huwag kang takbo ng takbo ha, kasi yun, nauuntog ka na dito, oh.
Yeah. Oh! 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 Oh, let's go run! Oh! Oh! Oh, oh my gosh! Oh! 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 Whoa! Baba! Whoa! You're doing that, bro! Oh, di ka dyan.
Nauuntog ka na dyan.
Come on, guys!
Ano mo? Ang lilikot mo kasi. Para kayong mga kiti-kiti. Dapat,
Whoa!
nanonood ng TV, sit down.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Hindi yung ikot ng ikot, takbo ng takbo.
Wow!
Ako siya mauntog.
Close the door! Oh. They... Bruh.
Mayroon pa? Mayroon pang mouth mask? Mayroon pa? Open your mouth.
Bruh.
Open your mouth. Tahimik kayo dito kung hindi kayo magulo. Para nakikinig lang kayo.
That's so...
Walang gulo kaya kung nakikinig lang kayo.
Oh, come on! Only a key!
Ano kayo talaga eh.
Job! Told you. Bruh. You know, guys?
Sinasaway mo. Tagot-tagot pa, nasigaw-sigaw pa. Hindi nakikinig.
Doors? You know that, Judah. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh! Ah! Charlotte Rose Screech can slap their face. Bruh, he is blind. Oh! Let's go crouch. There's desk. Oh!
Wala. Ay, nakabosin mo na lang. Subo ka lang. Ayun na, may dugo na yung hair mo. Ayun na, may dugo na. Para kalikutan mo. Ang sugang ka. Ayun na. Dugo na.
Huh?
Dugo na. Sinasaway, hindi nakikinig. Wala kayong sindi naman kayo. Hindi kayo nakikinig pag sinasaway kayo.
Oh, God, your leg is out there. Like, oh no, run, 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 run! Four more. Ooh, Shiloh, you can do it. Ooh. Get it. Oh my God, at the game, it tries to hard that a hard game. But it's so cold, but we like cold. I don't like hot.
Ayaw mo na eh. Diba ayaw mo na?
I want it.
Oh. Kainin mo.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hey, where did you get that face? The Bot Factory? Ooh! Oops, Run, run, run! Uh-oh. Oh. We lost Elijah. And look at the words. Oh, Uncle owner. Oh! Ambush. Oh, rush.
Kasi anong kasi agos kasi dyan. Ngayon na nahimik na. Ginugulo na naman ninyo eh.
Oh my god.
Diba? You watch video? Ha?
What? No, don't go there. But their last picture is lost path.
Baka napapakaway.
Not lost floor.
Oh, sleep
Lost
ka na.
path. Or lost hotel. Means path.
Magpasaway kayo nung nandito yung
Dark and rush.
tatay niyo kung gaano kayo paano. Kagulo.
Wrong. There. Middle. Told you.
Ayaw mo na kayo. Ibigay ko na sa bata. Ang bata is there outside. Open your mouth.
Turn around. Uh-oh. It doesn't make any sense. No, don't you dare. Go there. Nope.
Dito ka.
Oh yeah, where we go to the 101?
Pag sinabi ko yan dyan, titigaw na naman yan.
Actually, Alexander. 100B? What 100B? Bro, they don't even. Oh no. With the figures and 100? Ah!
Alon, inyo.
My gosh. Oh my gosh, it said it needs power. Oh no, run, 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 run. Oh my gosh. Run.
Need to
I don't want to talk.
Need to shout ba talaga?
No,
O bakit you're shouting?
because I want to talk to the views. Oh no, look at the points of the power
Ikaw
box.
pala maingay dito.
No, I want to talk to the views.
Oh,
Okay, it's a bit this like this.
dapat sa isang kwarto ka nga ikaw na mag-isa.
I want to talk to the views.
Kaya nga, doon sa isang kwarto ka.
No. I'm just gonna
Why
run,
you shouting? Why you
run,
shouting?
run. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's get the others.
Andrew,
Woo!
mas muna ba yung iPad mo? Mayroon dito bata na ano, nasisiraan ng ulo. Wawa.
My gosh.
Come here. Andito. Hawak ka iPad. Ito.
My gosh.
I show you.
Oh my God. The guiding light.
Naapektuhan yung utak ng bata. Hawak ka iPad.
Oh. Okay, go fight the figure. Sorry, wait. Oh, come on. I want to talk to the views.
I'm not talking to you, boss, Andres, Alon. I'm not talking to you.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
To me. I don't want to talk to you. Hindi ka makakaintindi. Kaya nga ako ng bawal ko.
Pala ka dyan. We can't open the doors and...
Ang aaga nagigising eh. Tapos na kayo. Oh, okay na.
Okay, guys. If you want another, we have to subscribe. I'm not just kidding. Watch my video.